Hey, it's Rhino. Right before you watch this video here, you might want to stick around no matter how boring it may be.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you might miss one of the funniest things that have ever happened on a live video. Well, not really live, but a recorded video that I'm really not going to take out of this thing.
Yeah, it's hilarious. Very, very hilarious. Because I was out there just dying. I
She
was
was. It's
laughing.
on the video.
Yeah.
If you stick long enough, you'll actually see what it's about. All right. I hope you guys liked the video. We're doing the new intro on this one, so later.
Later.
It's Rhino.
And this Derby.
And Derby just hit me in the face with her hand. Not really.
Oh, gee, I'm sorry, Rhino.
In this episode of videos we got going on, we're going to do candy tasting again. Things we have not tried.
Yeah, I haven't tried this. It's got pretzels in it. Hadn't tried that one either. And this one's new to me.
This is going to be bomb.
Yeah. Okay, Rhino, are you gonna hold it or are we gonna try it?
So, that was just dramatic effects right there. Gotta have dramatic effects. Like my hair. Look at that hair, huh?
Oh, geez. Rhino.
Don't know if you can hear the music, but that's pretty groovy stuff going on here, man.
Yep.
We're out here in the old bar room, as I call it.
Yep.
Just in case, you got off watching some other videos there from the Rhino and Derby page. We just did the, what are you doing? We got one pack right here.
Yep.
We just finished up video about our intros. So, anywho,
Yeah,
we'll try it.
Oh, gee.
Good Derby.
Thank you.
Ah,
You know what? I'm being nice.
Yeah, you
Not
are.
playing a bird at you, Rhino.
I'm on a badass wafer.
That's pretty good.
Crispy, creamy chocolate bar.
Mm-hmm.
Crispy wafer with creamy nut filling with milk chocolate. Blah, blah, blah. Yo, what are you doing? Don't have to eat them right now. We got two others we gotta try. Fine. Yeah, water cage is in the house, dudes.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Water Cave.
All right. I like that one.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one right there.
Oh, yeah.
But then I love the wafers.
Really, really good.
All right. So now we have oh, motherfucker. Look at that shit. Man down.
Oh. No. That's 3 piece.
I ain't eating that. And I'll
Oh.
trust that floor. I haven't cleaned it yet. Don't get them confused. Okay, this is the Twix. Cookies and cream. Cream with cookie bites, chocolate, cookie bar, milk chocolate. Alright. I haven't tried this one.
Alrighty.
Huh. I like it. It's good stuff.
Not bad.
Twix has actually added a good one right there now.
Yeah.
Instead of the vanilla bar underneath it, they got the chocolate bar underneath it. And then the cookies and cream filling. Yeah, man.
Very good.
Okay, so between the first and the second, what are you doing? We got another one to try out. Derby's something else.
Yeah, I know. Ain't nothing wrong with this daggone chocolate chip.
I ain't eating it.
Oh,
That flow was nasty. And last,
Yep.
on this
last,
here
my week.
video.
And then I'd actually go with this.
Oh, that's just, you know, different.
That's actually really good.
That's different.
And then this here.
They don't know what that is.
Which would be this here.
Alright, there we go.
Yeah. So yeah.
Well, guys, that concludes
Sorry.
what?
Had to take me a drink there.
Yeah. It's a little harsh. Well, that concludes the candy challenge taste test, whatever I'm trying to say.
Chocolate taste test.
All right.
Yeah.
Hope you guys like it. Remember, like and subscribe if you know where your speed. If not, then you know, there's others out there. You know, hit the little bell and you know, it'll like bring up our newest videos. By the way, the girls are back. The big girl and baby.
Only one girl's not back yet.
That's gonna be a tight fit because oh, ball sack! Oh, are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? Are you okay? Did you guys survive? I'm sorry. I'm just a really, really bad host. I can't find where the damn camera's at. Oh, if you guys like tuned out at the very middle of this thing, oh, you missed it. But anywho, I was gonna do this thing right here, and this is usually where baby is. So, oh, mother dog. This is Derby losing her shit. Talk about, oh, get your damn hand out there. Alright, anyway, guys.
Literally losing my shit, guys. Literally.
Yeah.
And also, I may be making a separate video from the Rhino and Derby about something.
Let me get it over here in a comfortable angle here, because there we go. Carry on.
About something. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I'm kind of following up on it and getting a little more information so I know what to really tell you guys. So stay tuned for that, okay?
Alright. You good?
Yeah, I'm good, besides losing my shit. But
We will catch you later.
Bye. Derby again, and yes, you were correct. You're seeing that upside down. And the reason why that is Rhino dropped his phone.
As you saw.
Yeah, as you saw. Picked it back up and didn't realize the camera was upside down. So yes, you're going to be seeing us upside down in the video. So yeah, after
They already did.
Well, I know that, Rhino.
Yeah, I just thought I'd throw it out there.
And that was during me losing my shit, laughing so hard when he dropped the phone, trying to show you guys that we have baby and big girl in the garage, and while discussing that the other one's not here, but yeah, it'd be a bit too small to try to fit the other big girl in there. So yeah. Anywho, we just thought we would let you know that yes, you're seeing that upside down. So hope y'all enjoyed the funniness, and let us know if y'all enjoyed the video in the comment. Later.